Hello, you're watching Rusty Rivets. We are selling tail party mechanics to our show. It is. 3, 2, 1.
Click play to start. Play. Hi, it's me, Rusty. Glad you're here. We've got a penguin problem. A package of penguins was supposed to go to the animal park, but it got delivered to the recycling yard instead. Now the penguins are everywhere.
We need your help to collect them all and bring them to the animal park where they belong.
Who do you want to help on this penguin pickup mission? You can choose me, Rusty, or you can choose my best friend, Ruby.
Ruby!
Rusty, click time to go. The penguins are running all over the recycling yard. Help me collect all 10.
That is so much fun, guys!
Off, Ellie. Off, Ellie. We're going on this, having a show until contests. We crashed it. Rusty Rivets. So we are watching Rusty. Hey! Us.
Collect all.
My past. Yeah. I hate her. I have turned on Rusty Rivets. Yeah, how.
Hey, Dad! I can't believe you!
I'm turning on Rusty Rivets. I'm gonna seriously watch Barney and Fred.